Monday morning found the dive team back in Kingston. On the dock, a trailer had been moved away from the north side. Moving towards the water, it's worth noting the steel pipes near the holding tank. Deployment of the curtains encountered last week has begun. Close to the existing passenger terminal, asphalt has been marked out and cutting has begun. When the dive team begins operations from the North Finger, no dive boat is needed. For any observer, the game then becomes find the diver. The bubbles are a giveaway. There's clearly coordination between the ground team and the dive team. All the while, work on the asphalt continues. A tranquil scene on the water is not mirrored ashore. On the North Finger, some sort of briefing or inspection may be taking place. You can read into it whatever you make of the sign language. On the ramp, the team are wrestling with the curtains. Repositioning the boat suggests imminent deployment. Back on the dock, barriers hint at reorganization of the site, and guardrails for the Dolphin in Marysville await collection. Wednesday and Thursday see the Kingston dock sadly neglected, whilst a bridge is installed in Marysville. Returning to Kingston on Thursday afternoon, it can be seen quite clearly that the curtains are in place. During my absence, a redundant transformer has been removed, and break-up of its concrete base is underway. There have been some other minor changes too, around the holding tank and the information screen. Clearance of the concrete would continue throughout Friday. Clearance was a good term to apply to what was happening on the north side of the site, where one sea can was being removed altogether and a second relocated, making way, eventually, for work to begin on levelling and grading that margin. The other notable event on Friday was what appeared to be an exercise in sealing or grouting around the bases of the vacuum mooring units. I'll leave wiser minds to speculate on just what was happening, and I'll look forward to seeing you all next week. Thanks for watching.